Hello, and welcome to another update video on Link. We want to take a look here at the short-term chart for Link. I covered yesterday also the weekly time frame, and then I want to take the opportunity to answer the question of one of our members from the community chat, which relates to the Link BTC chart. So if you want to see Link BTC, stay tuned. Okay, so let's take a look at the 1 hour time frame here first. I mean, on the Link chart, the thesis is currently that we are in a wave 2 correction, right? So that is a corrective pullback in an overall uptrend. You should know that if you watch the videos regularly, so that the pressure is rather overall to the upside. At least it is one of the more reliable charts here, the Link chart. It's been one of the most reliable ones in this cycle. It's rather a slow mover, or it has been in this cycle, but it's done okay. 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 So the idea is that in this correction here that started in August, this could be a wave 2 pullback. I mean, it might be over. We're currently in the process of figuring that out, right? The price reached support here, our $20 support level, the 100% extension, an ideal target for a C wave in an ABC structure. So A, B, C. Okay, but if it's a wave 2, then ideally it should even go a little lower, but I mean, it's not absolutely needed. For me, it's just important to highlight that we are below 2 trend lines still. This one is the first one, which is currently coming in around $23.70. So this needs to be broken next to the upside. Then this one would unlock prices in the area around, yeah, 27.50 or so. And also that we don't even have a 5-wave move up. So I need to see a clear 5-wave move up to signal that we really have formed a very meaningful low. So far, I can label that wave 1, wave 2, A, B, C in wave 3, which might even stretch a little higher in the third. Then the wave 4 support is here. It's between $21.27 and $22.14, and then we can get a 5th wave to the upside. If we get at any point now a break below $21.27, it would increase probabilities that we get another low. It's a 3-wave move up, but I have to say, visually, it already looks like 5 waves. I'm just saying, if I apply all the Elliott wave guidelines and everything based on the model we are following, then one more higher low and one more higher high would be ideal. So this is the first support zone. A break at this point would not be a surprise. Again, we don't have 5 waves up yet. Only then. At the moment, we're just doing tracking work. Yeah, we're just tracking the structure. So that gives you support and the next resistance as well. Bulls are trying. What can I say? Bulls are trying, but it will really only become something to take really serious. I mean, I'm already watching it. I'm taking it seriously, but you know what I mean. At the moment, it could just be a bull trap, right? So we want to avoid that. And so to really confirm we've bottomed, I need to see a 5-wave move up. But you know that. October is typically bullish. Also for Link, it is one of the more bullish months. I posted that earlier today in our membership where we, as a gold member, you get access to a lot of macro charts and, but basically the month of October is one of the better months also for Chainlink. Yeah, I mean, last year was one of the few months where it was slightly negative for Link, but overall, I mean, 2023, 39% up. Yeah, 2022 was positive, even though it was already bear market. 2021, 25% up. Yeah, that post-halving year. So it's getting interesting. October is normally quite positive for Link. Yeah, now let's take a look at the Link BTC chart. By the way, if you're interested, also follow us on X. We have a small contest running here. Let us know what the Bitcoin price will be end of October, and the winner will, closest call, will get a month of our MCO Gold membership for free. Feel free to let us know. I'd be highly interested to hear what your predictions are. You can find a link in the comment section for our X channel. And this is the Link BTC chart. I mean, it is a chart that I'm tracking as basically just a large ABC structure. That's what many of these are doing. Many of these BTC charts, yeah, BTC pairs, you see it's a three-wave move up. This move to the downside doesn't really offer a very, very clear structure. Yeah, I mean, my take is it could be an A, B, C. Okay, and the question is, have we already bottomed? It's not very clear to me. I mean, my view is it could be a diagonal pattern, so wave 1, wave 2, and then A, B, possibly even this is the C wave of wave 3, 4, 5. But I would not even go to that wave degree and time frame on a BTC pair chart. Yeah, there are essentially there will be a lot of different ways how this could be labeled. But certainly not impulsive to the downside. And then if it's a diagonal structure, I mean, it kind of makes sense because this can be A, B, C in wave 1. And then this is A, B, could even say C in wave 3, but then this is a bit short for a wave 3, you know? So I don't really like that idea. So that's why in the white count, I could easily still say, what if this third is down here? It all extends a little lower in the white count. And this is an A, B, C. And we're following through to the downside like this, yeah. A, B, C, and A, then B, and this is now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so it would sell off further. Okay. Again, is this high probability? I mean, if we get one more high from the June low, this would give me a 5-wave move up. At the moment, it's a 3-wave move up. And we're actually in Fibonacci resistance, standard resistance for a corrective bounce here, yeah, 2511. So, I mean, for me, what can I say? The pressure is rather down. Yeah, Link Bitcoin makes sense. October is normally bullish for Bitcoin dominance. So I think the pressure is rather to the downside. But the microstructure is not very clear. I don't think there is the one answer. The problem is I got the question here on the 1 hour time frame, and honestly, that there is just not enough. I would not track this on the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, I would not track this because not even the macro is very clear. So how do you want to label that on the micro? It just doesn't really work. Now, what I can imagine might be happening is here is an A, B, C structure. It could also be a 1, 2, 3. Again, I don't want to talk about all the possibilities because there are too many and it wouldn't lead anywhere, right? We don't have an impulsive decline or anything. It's a corrective pullback possibly, but the pressure is down. It doesn't look impulsive. Many of these BTC pairs are moving in 3-wave structures up and down all the time. But because you asked, I mean, best I can tell is this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this C wave because it, oops, was a dog, because you're tracking this on the small time frame, and you asked if this is a triangle. And I mean, because Bitcoin dominance is rather bullish in October, normally the pressure would rather be to the downside here as well. And yeah, I think I can see this as a possible triangle. I would agree. So that was the question I got on Discord about this triangle, and yeah, I mean, it is kind of it's one of the scenarios, right? We're in a local downtrend clearly, and this seems like a bearish pennant or something. And so, from a triangle point of view, A, B, C, D, E, possibly. Yeah, that's how I would track this. I hope it helps. Overall, it's a messy chart. The BTC charts, I would not recommend tracking these on the smallest time frames because the macro is often not very clear. Most of these are in a lifetime downtrend compared to Bitcoin or in a sideways range. That makes it all very messy. But anyway, I hope it helps. That's the update on Link. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, yeah, check out our X channel. Thanks so much. Bye bye.